I got y'all playing Yeezys. Laced up, however, right? You know, it's kind of ordinary. You know what I'm saying? It's regular. It's Yeezys at the end of the day, but you know what I'm saying? It's just a regular lacing, feel me? Like, it just makes it plain. So, forget these. Get you some Kaws lacing, y'all. These right here. Stupid fire, y'all. This is the new wave. It's been trending on Instagram, trending everywhere. Y'all wanna see how to lace these? Watch towards the end of the video, y'all. Alright.
When he jumping out the building like when he jumping out the building like diamonds on.
Alright, so this is the Kaws way, right? So this is basically the end result of what you're gonna get, right? Alright, so the very first step is not this step. This is the second step, right? So you wanna take these out, all of it out, simple. Like, take out the laces. It's trash, bro. It's doodle. Feel me? It might be a struggle depending on what pair you have. I don't honestly know to keep it a buck, but these endings part is clearly thicker than the actual eyelet, so it's gonna take a minute. So I'm gonna fast forward me unlacing these. So at some point you're gonna have it like this with no laces. It might look weird at first because it is weird, but this is the very first step. So what you want to do is, all right, so what y'all want to do is y'all want to bring it out from this side, right? So basically you want to bring it from the inside out, right? So you do that for both sides like this, right? And you're gonna make sure they're even. Okay, so clearly just do this, like, simple. Just pull one side till both of them are the same size, right? Alright, so what you want to do is start on one side. Forget this whole lace right here, right? For now. You want to basically make an X mark. So you just go here and you pull it right here, right? Pull it in. Doesn't matter how you pull it, but as long as you pull it towards the inside of the shoe. So now what you want to do is from the inside, now you want to go to the other side, like this hole right here, right next to that one, and you pull it through right here. And then see, you pretty much getting it now. You just do the same thing and it forms the very first X, right? Forms the very first X right here, right? And then on this side, you do the same exact thing. So those that didn't get the first time, you just put it to this X, to this hole. So like, I wouldn't know what you'd call that, but to this hole. Bring it from while it's in the inside back out to the hole next to that one right here. And then you just form the X. Like that. Right? So therefore you got your first two X's, right? Now what you want to do is you want to bring this, like for example, you want to make sure they stay on each side. So you see the left side, as I'm pulling it, you feel it like right here. So you want to keep that on the left side, the X from the right side. Get it? So you just see how it's pulling from the right side, pulling left side, and keep them on each side, right? You could also check, right? See, like I'm even getting confused, but see, when you keep it on the right side, because you don't want it to get the lace to be too loose at the end, to where like you won't be able to have this effect to it. So what you want to do is you basically just pull it till it's side that it's on the right side, and pull it from the end. So see, like it's coming in from there. Simple. And you want to do the same for this side. All right, pull it up to the same side. Then you want to form an X right here. Bingo. Right, then form an X on the other side. It's all about forming X's, right? All right, very simple, right? So now, whatever side your lace is on, you want to bring it to that end. So, see, this one is on the right side, this one is on the left side. You want to bring it to this side, this hole in the left side, and this hole on the right side, right? So the lace on the right side, you want to pull it to this hole on that side. From this hole, from this lace, you want to bring it to this bottom hole on the left side, right? Leaving the only holes that's left is this hole and this hole. And don't worry, these are very important, right? So listen carefully. You do not want to go strictly like this. I've seen a lot of people mess up on this part. You do not want to go like this. You do not want to go like that. What you do want to do is you want to go from the inside out like this, right? And on this side, you want to go from the inside out like this. So you would have basically the placeholders, right? And then from there, you just do like a loop-de-loop from the bottom to out. So therefore, it has that cause effect. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know what cause is, it's those figurines, but completely just hold on. And these might be difficult to do. Make sure that you start from the bottom with these so that you get the actual loops that go in. No other problems, right? So you just completely just do this, right? Go around it as if you was like twisting it, you know what I'm saying? Or just trying to curl around something until to the point where the anglet stays like that. So now that you see the anglet is stuck like this, it's really stiff and it's just stuck on the lace, so therefore it won't move, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. So the next side we do it again. Make sure you start from the bottom so like this part doesn't annoy us. Go like that, go like that, go like that, go like that, go like that. Feel me? It's mad simple. It's like you're just choking someone with, like, as if he was a snake and you're just trying to choke someone, right? So then boom, that's it. Now you got your own cause Yeezys. Now this has been popping on Instagram, and now you can flex on Instagram that you do the laces. Now you see both sides. You got the cause lacing, whatever. And that's that, y'all.
Get guap, yeah, I run it up. It's to the 9, yeah, you know you can't fuck with us. I was down, yeah, they hate, but I'm coming up. Getting money, yeah, it's crazy, don't know who to trust. Big hoes, big lies, but I let it bang. I was down, but you know I'm finna do my thing. Getting money, yeah, it's crazy, gotta change. Young niggas still pull up in the range. She wanna fuck with the gang. Call on my phone, let it ring. Switching these lanes, run it back. I was way down on my eyes. They used to laugh, it was sad. Get to this money, they mad. Get to this money, they mad. I get that bird, run it back. She wanna fuck with the gang. Call on my phone, let it ring. Switching these lanes, run it back.